Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by building flavor fast. Heat 2 tablespoon oil and drop in 1 tsp cumin until it pops, because that releases aroma into the oil. Once it sizzles, add a chopped onion and sauté to golden brown. This caramelization gives depth. Then stir in 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste for bite, followed by 2 chopped tomatoes. Cook them until the oil separates from the masala so spices will bloom and meld into a rich base. Once your masala is glossy, you add the peas because they absorb spice and add sweetness. Use 1 cup fresh or frozen and 1/2 cup water to create steam. Now sprinkle 1 tsp garam masala, 1/2 tsp turmeric, and 1 tsp coriander powder so flavors layer rather than clash. Stir, cover, and simmer 8 to 10 minutes until peas are tender. Make sure to check salt and the gravy thickness, because you want a silky coating on the paneer later. You finish by gently folding in 250 g paneer cubes so they warm without crumbling. Simmer 3 to 4 minutes and avoid vigorous stirring because paneer will break. Once done, add 1 tablespoon cream or sprinkle 1 tsp kasuri methi for rounded flavor and garnish with chopped cilantro to brighten the dish. If the gravy is too thin, reduce it uncovered. If too thick, add 2 tablespoon water. That troubleshooting step keeps texture right and saves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.